Get ready for mind-blowing space facts. You won't believe what scientists have discovered about our largest neighbor in the solar system, Jupiter. This Goliath planet is so enormous, it's almost impossible to wrap your head around its size. To put it into perspective, imagine Jupiter as a massive heavyweight champion. It packs 318 times more punch than our own home, Earth. Its incredible ecosystem is like a powerful force field that actually impacts us here on our own planet. So, what's got scientists buzzing about this gas giant? Let's dive right in and explore the out-of-this-world surprises Jupiter has in store for us. Check this out. You might know Jupiter's Great Red Spot as just a famous storm on TV, but it's actually a colossal, centuries-old tempest that dwarfs our entire planet. This gargantuan whirlwind is like nothing we have on Earth, and it's only one of the many extreme features of Jupiter. Now, let's talk gravity. Jupiter's massive size means its gravitational pull is seriously strong, about 318 times more powerful than ours. When Jupiter's grip on our planet is extra tight, get ready for wild weather, sweltering summers, icy winters, and even more intense droughts and downpours. It's like Earth's climate patterns are on steroids. But here's the cool part. Without Jupiter keeping things in check, our world would be a whole lot more chaotic and unpredictable. So next time you're dealing with crazy weather, remember Jupiter's got your backs, or should we say, your atmosphere. Let's dive deeper into the unsung hero of our solar system, Jupiter's gravitational shield. We already know its massive pull cranks up the weather on Earth, but it also acts as a cosmic bodyguard, deflecting dangerous space debris away from our planet. Without Jupiter's intervention, comets and asteroids would be free to zoom in and wreak havoc, making life on Earth way more perilous. Instead, many of these threats get redirected into Jupiter itself or its moons. Talk about a planetary sacrifice. Some scientists even argue that without Jupiter's protection, the Earth might not be habitable at all. But don't think everyone agrees. There are scientists who question this narrative and have some surprising counterpoints to share. Stay tuned to find out more. Now, let's tackle a surprising twist. While Jupiter might not be the ultimate space protector after all, some scientists suggest that while its gravity does deflect close comets, it could actually pull in far-off ones, potentially bringing more harm than good. When you balance these two effects, they argue that Jupiter's impact on our safety might be less significant than we think. However, this idea remains a topic of debate among experts and will likely be refined as research improves. Meanwhile, the majority agree that Jupiter plays a crucial role in safeguarding our planet, but hold up, it might not be all sunshine for other inner planets. According to NASA, Jupiter's gravity can actually send destructive objects hurtling towards these worlds. But since they're lifeless, we don't have to worry about any intergalactic catastrophes there. Get ready to be blown away. Jupiter is literally a giant compared to Earth. This gaseous behemoth is not only our solar system's largest planet, but also a staggering 11 times bigger than our home sweet Earth. To put it into perspective, if you were to place our entire planet inside Jupiter, it would get swallowed up in just over 1.5 times the Earth's diameter. That's how massive this gas giant truly is. But wait, there's more. All size isn't everything. Unlike our amazing Earth with its vibrant landscapes and oceans, Jupiter is a unique gas giant made almost entirely of hydrogen and helium gases, leaving it without a solid surface. That's right, this massive planet has no land as we know it. But, surprisingly, despite being so different from Earth, Jupiter actually boasts the largest ocean in our entire solar system, only not the kind you'd expect. Instead of H2O, Jupiter's ocean is made up of liquid metallic hydrogen, a seriously intense and alien substance that's anything but swim-friendly. Now let's dive deeper into Jupiter's incredible ocean. It's estimated to be around 25,000 miles deep, making it a staggering 40 times deeper than our Earth's deepest point. This immense depth of liquid metallic hydrogen plays a crucial role in how our planet might interact with Jupiter in another unexpected way. Being an extraordinary conductor of electric and thermal energy, this ocean essentially turns Jupiter into an enormous power plant. When you combine this with its mind-blowing 10-hour day-night cycle, that's incredibly fast compared to Earth's 24 hours. Jupiter becomes an electrifying powerhouse, churning out massive amounts of energy in the process. Jupiter's electric show is truly off the charts. It produces an incredible 10 million amps of power, making its poles and surrounding atmosphere glow brighter than you can imagine. This spectacle results in gigantic auroras that outshine anything we've seen on our own planet Earth. The light from these stunning displays might even reach us here on Earth, so keep an eye out for those exceptionally bright nights. It could be Jupiter's cosmic glow. And let's not forget about Jupiter's incredible moon, Crew. This gas giant is home to a whopping 79 moons. Just a few years back, that impressive count would have made Jupiter the reigning champion of planets with the most moons. But wait, there's a new champ in town. Saturn has just taken over as the planet with the most moons. Don't get me wrong though, Jupiter's moon squad still packs an awesome punch. In fact, its biggest moon Ganymede is not only massive, but also the largest moon in our entire solar system. It's like the ultimate underdog story. The largest planet gets the largest moon. To put that into perspective, Ganymede stretches a whopping 5,268 kilometers across. That's one ginormous moon, and it just goes to show that Jupiter still brings its A-game when it comes to moon greatness. Let's dive deeper into Ganymede's mind-boggling size. It's a whopping 26% larger than our neighbor Mercury, which is actually a full-fledged planet. That's one massive moon we're talking about. To put it in better view, Ganymede is roughly a third the size of Earth itself, making it an actual planet-sized satellite. But what really sets Ganymede apart is its secret power. It has its very own magnetic field, making it the only moon in our solar system with this super cool feature. And don't even get me started on its gal pals Europa and Io. They're two more of Jupiter's incredible moons that deserve some serious attention. You're probably wondering what makes these three so special. Well, Ganymede, Europa, and Io, often called the Big Three moons of Jupiter, stand out from the crowd of a whopping 79 confirmed moons orbiting our gas giant. But here's the thing, with more hidden gems waiting to be discovered, scientists are left asking, what's next for Jupiter exploration? Luckily, we're already in the midst of an epic adventure with NASA's Juno space probe, which is currently cruising around Jupiter and sending back mind-blowing data. So, buckle up, the future of Jupiter discoveries is looking brighter than ever. Fasten your seatbelts, space fans. The Juno spacecraft has been on an incredible journey since its launch in August 2011, and what a ride it's been. After a 3-year trek, Juno finally reached Jupiter's orbit in 2013, bringing us daily doses of jaw-dropping visuals that make our videos possible. Originally designed to last 7 years, this mission has already busted through the decade mark with no signs of slowing down yet. And when Juno does meet its fate by getting absorbed into Jupiter's atmosphere, get ready for a treasure trove of new discoveries about our solar system's largest planet. The excitement doesn't stop there, folks. You guys want to know some major space history. Juno's not the only one that's broken barriers. It was actually the second spacecraft to successfully orbit our biggest planet. Galileo, a nuclear-powered trailblazer, made its way to Jupiter all the way back in 1995, after launching from Earth in 1989. This fearless explorer spent years teaching us more about Jupiter than we ever thought possible, and remains an iconic symbol of human innovation in space exploration. The Jupiter exploration journey doesn't stop here. The European Space Agency has got a fantastic mission lined up for you. Introducing JUICE, short for the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer. Slated to launch in 2022, this incredible spacecraft is going to make history by becoming the very first satellite to orbit a moon of another planet. Buckle up and get ready as JUICE gets up close and personal with Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. It's about to uncover some serious secrets on these icy moons while making flybies along the way. Stay tuned for some truly out-of-this-world discoveries. The European Space Agency has got some exciting goals for JUICE when it's on a mission to Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. This spacecraft will be all about uncovering secrets of these icy moons beneath, from what's hidden beneath their surfaces to the mysteries of their magnetic fields. But here's the amazing part. JUICE is also going to help us understand the building blocks of life on Europa. It'll sniff out organic molecules, figure out how surface features form, and give us a peek into the moon's non-water ice material. Meanwhile, NASA has its own Jupiter mission in the works. Meet the Europa Clipper. This space traveler will be zooming in for super close flybies of Europa to unravel one big question: is this moon habitable? Buckle up. We're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of Jupiter's icy moons. And there you have it. JUIC is gearing up to blast off into space in 2023. Can't wait to see what discoveries await us. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the icy moons of Jupiter.